In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for designers. This platform can significantly enhance your team's productivity and streamline your workflow. So let's dive in and get started with this tutorial. First, you'll want to create a new board on Monday.com. Think of this board as your workspace where you can organize your projects and tasks. When you create this board, it's important to give it a name that clearly reflects its purpose. A good example might be something like Design Team. Naming your board effectively will help everyone on your team understand its function at a glance, making collaboration easier and more intuitive. Once your board is set up, it's time to start adding item names for the tasks or projects you want to track. These could be design request, project calendar, and completed projects. By clearly labeling these items, you can conveniently track and manage the various aspects of your design projects, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next, you'll want to assign team members to each item. This can be easily done by clicking on the person icon next to each task. Assigning responsibilities is crucial for accountability and helps team members know exactly what they're responsible for. This transparency not only boosts efficiency, but also encourages teamwork as everyone is clear about their roles and deadlines. After assigning tasks, you'll need to update the status of your work. This can be done by clicking on the status section. Updating the status regularly helps keep everyone informed about the progress and current state of each project. It fosters communication and allows for quick problem resolution if something is off track. Now you'll need to enter the dates for each task. This includes setting deadlines and timelines, which is essential for project management. Having clear dates in place ensures that your projects stay on schedule and helps avoid last-minute rushes. To further enhance your workflow, consider adding a progress tracking column. This feature lets you visually track progress at a glance, giving you a clear visual indicator of how far along each task is towards completion. It's a great tool for quickly assessing the status of your projects. Additionally, you might find it helpful to add a text column if you need more detailed descriptions or notes for specific tasks. This flexibility allows you to customize how information is displayed, making the board tailored to your specific needs. Lastly, adding a timeline column can be a game changer in managing overlapping tasks and project timelines. It offers a comprehensive view of how your tasks fit within the larger schedule, helping to identify potential bottlenecks or periods of heavy workload in advance. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating an efficient and organized system for managing design projects on Monday.com. Take your time to explore these features and customize them to best suit your team's unique workflow needs.